Alright, this is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. And a little upset, but here we go. Those three should be hatching any day now if they're going to hatch. My last one hatched at 57. We are working on day 56. So yeah, no movements. Doesn't mean we're not going to go ahead and do our weigh-in once more. We're going to start with this one. And I'm not going to be turning them because they should be stopped turning by this time. So I don't need to turn it on. Alright, zeroed out. 459. 459, and it's exactly still losing weight like it's supposed to. And I'm looking at the eggs, seeing if there's any cracks, because if they're cracked I'm not going to weigh them, but if they're cracked it means they were starting to hatch. So next one for 72, exactly the weight, so I'm not sure what's going to happen here. I am going to let them go till next weekend. Hopefully by then I got 3 more eggs to put in here. It's the third egg at 483, and still, I mean, that's exactly where it should be. We're on day 58 right now, so it's crazy, but let's just continue. Alright, these I am going to be turning as I do. So 504, which is right on target. And I need to spin it and lay it down. Alright. 524. And I know all this really means is that I am getting the correct weight loss. It doesn't mean that they're fertile, which they should be. I mean, emus generally don't lay until they're with a mate. 538. And that one's right on too, so turn the page, so be patient with me. Alright, let's get this one in here. 459. I'll be turning it. 528. Still on, so yeah. Even though the humidity says 66. My problem is I keep getting these heat bursts and low temps, and that's kind of disappointing. I might have to buy a new incubator, or I don't know, maybe change the biscuit out. I don't know. 573. So they all weighed out correctly. I've been turning them every day. I've been doing everything I'm supposed to do. I don't know. I'm still gonna give them another week. Then I'm gonna go ahead and crack them open, or I'm gonna start cracking one open, and then we'll go from there. Oop, that's gonna be funny on the video, but yeah, that's it. We're gonna keep this short. I'm upset, I guess you could say that. I really wanted to get some more babies. Alright, I thought I heard something, but maybe I didn't. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And keep your fingers crossed for the next video. Thanks for watching.